2025 is the year of the snake. Let's take a look at how to make some snake crafts together. Paper plate twirling snake. Paint the inside of a paper plate yellow and allow this to dry. Then paint the edge of the paper plate orange, creating a fade. Gently paint the raised side of bubble wrap with red paint and press the painted bubble wrap onto the paper plate. Peel away the bubble wrap to reveal the painted scales. Allow the paint to dry completely. Draw a spiral on the back of your paper plate and cut this out. Then colour in the snake head and tongue and cut these out. Wrap the tongue around a pencil to make a flicked tongue. Glue the snake head onto the centre of the paper plate spiral and glue on the tongue. You now have your very own paper plate twirling snake. Folded paper snake. First, take a ruler and mark 4 cm and 8 cm along the bottom of the card. Repeat this at the top of the card. Next, join the 4 cm dots and the 8 cm dots together using a ruler. Carefully cut along these lines to produce 2 strips of card. Add a dab of glue to one of the strips. Place the other strip of card on top of the glue so that the strips meet at right angles. Next, take the strip of card that is at the bottom of the pile and fold it over. Now repeat this action. Continue folding until you reach the end of your strips of card. When the strips are only long enough for one more fold, add a dab of glue onto the top of the stack before making the final fold. Cut off any excess card from the strips and keep this to one side. You will need it later. You have now created the bouncy body of your snake. Decorate the snake's head and tail and cut these out. Take your excess piece of card from earlier and fold it in half. You will use this as a tab to attach the snake's head to the body. Glue one half of the tab to the top of the snake's body and glue the other half of the tab to the back of the snake's head. Add a dab of glue to the tab of the snake tail template. Stick this to the base of the bouncy snake body. You now have a bouncy snake. Paper fan snake. Choose 7 sheets of coloured paper. Take a sheet of paper and fold the top edge down approximately 2 cm. Flip the paper over and fold the end back on itself. Continue folding the paper back and forth until you reach the end of the paper. You have created an accordion fold. Fold the accordion fold in half. Add a dab of glue to one side of the accordion fold. Press the sides together to create a fan. Repeat these steps with the other 6 pieces of paper. Take your first and second fan and add a dab of glue to one side of the first fan. Stick the 2 fans together. Continue sticking the fans to each other, alternating their directions to create a colourful garland. Colour and cut out the snake's head and tail. Make a tab on the snake's head, add a dab of glue and stick this to the top of the first fan. Make a tab on the snake's tail, add a dab of glue and stick this on the end of the last fan. Your paper fan snake is now complete. I hope you enjoyed making all of these snake crafts with us today. If you liked making them, why not like and subscribe to our channel for more crafts?